By this time, everybody knows about ChatGPT. Everybody got to know that it's a text-based AI tool. But does that give you enough clarity about how it can change your life or how far it can go to help you out? No. So, in this video, we are going to share with you 10 incredible tips and tricks that will enhance your ChatGPT experience to a degree that you won't believe this AI is capable of. 10. Original content creation. You can now ask ChatGPT to create original content that will blow your mind. Need a catchy song about romance or jokes with a wicked sense of humor? ChatGPT can whip it up for you. How about an Instagram caption that will make your followers go wild? ChatGPT has got you covered. ChatGPT can also craft a brilliant speech that you can give in your TEDx talk. It's like having a personal genius at your fingertips. Just take any boring job description, feed it to ChatGPT, and watch in awe as it transforms into a captivating one-page cover letter. The sky's the limit when it comes to content creation with ChatGPT. 9. To the point summarizing. ChatGPT isn't just limited to content creation. It can summarize like a pro too. Long articles got you feeling overwhelmed? Never mind. Copy and paste the web link into ChatGPT, and in a matter of seconds, ChatGPT will weave its magic and summarize the entire article into a couple of sentences without missing any major points. You'll be able to grasp the essence of the article in no time, saving you precious minutes. But here's where things get really wild. ChatGPT can summarize hundreds of pages in just a blink of an eye. Forget about sifting through piles of documents for hours on end. Just copy all those pages, paste them into ChatGPT, and type TLDR, too long, didn't read. In an instant, ChatGPT will generate a short and sweet summary that encapsulates the entire content. It's speed and accuracy like you've never seen before. And the awesomeness doesn't stop there. ChatGPT is a master at explaining current news and historical events. Just ask it to talk about any news or event concisely, and ChatGPT will break it down for you in a way that's quick, easy, and comprehensible. Stay up to date without breaking a sweat. There's still another mind-blowing and useful application that you would definitely like. ChatGPT can transform convoluted and formal agreements into easily understandable language. Whether it's a complex contract or a lengthy legal document, simply copy and paste the text into ChatGPT and ask it to make it more informal. Witness as ChatGPT works its magic, breaking down the complexity and ensuring that you grasp the content clearly. No longer will you be overwhelmed by the jargon. ChatGPT makes comprehension a breeze. 8. Clone your writing style. But don't be impressed yet, because the more mind-blowing capability of it is here. It can adapt your own writing style. Imagine pasting a message or email you've written and having ChatGPT analyze it to learn how to write like you. It's like having an AI clone that perfectly mimics your style, incorporating your casual tone, specific words, and even your sense of humor. ChatGPT can write and reply on your behalf, fooling everyone into thinking it's you. It's like having a writing twin. But wait, it gets even better. ChatGPT can go beyond imitating your style. You can ask it to rewrite the text in the style of literary legends like J.K. Rowling or William Shakespeare. The results are nothing short of hilarious and astonishingly accurate. And here's the real kicker. ChatGPT can adopt different personas. Yes, you heard that right. Prompt ChatGPT to channel the spirit of Snoop Dogg, Oprah Winfrey, or even Abraham Lincoln, and watch as it flawlessly responds in character every time you chat. The possibilities are truly endless. 7. Responses that stand out. Now imagine you're having a conversation with a real person. It's like unlocking a treasure trove of knowledge. If you keep your questions simple, you'll get straightforward answers. But here's the secret. If you provide more details and ask intriguing questions, you'll receive mind-blowing responses packed with rich information. Now, let's talk about shaping ChatGPT's brilliance. Whenever you spot a mistake, don't hesitate to correct it. Trust me, this is the key to its learning process. By pointing out any errors, you're helping ChatGPT grow and improve. It's like nurturing a brilliant mind to avoid those missteps in the future. 6. A great teacher. Now, let's shift gears and talk about learning. Say goodbye to tedious searches and boring manuals. With ChatGPT by your side, learning becomes a breeze. Just ask it to teach you anything you desire, and it will deliver an extraordinary experience. Need to master a musical instrument like the guitar? It will even show you the chords, which fret to use, and which string to place your fingers on. The best part? It's all available for free. Plus, ChatGPT excels at teaching languages and software like Photoshop. But ChatGPT is not only a teaching genius, but also a problem-solving prodigy. Stuck on a challenging math problem or a tricky project? No worries. Just input your conundrum into ChatGPT and that's it. It will solve it for you with ease. What's more, you can even ask it to review your project or grade your homework. Need a paper graded out of 100? Just ask ChatGPT and voila. It not only grades it, but also provides valuable feedback. It's like transforming ChatGPT into your personal editor-cum-assistant. 5. Decision maker. But wait, there's even more to ChatGPT's awesomeness. It can give you valuable advice also. Yes, whether it's dealing with a roommate who can't resist your pizzas or navigating complex social situations, ChatGPT can help you out. Its advice is so balanced and professional that it feels like you're consulting an expert. From handling tricky messages from bosses or coworkers to impressing your in-laws or securing a well-deserved raise, ChatGPT's guidance is simply invaluable. 4. Your personal health coach. Now, let's talk health and fitness. ChatGPT might not be a real doctor, but it can revolutionize your well-being. Do you want to get fit, build muscle, or shed some pounds? ChatGPT is your go-to expert. Just ask for a detailed exercise plan, and you'll receive top-notch advice and an amazing roadmap to follow. And guess what? If you crave more specifics, ChatGPT is ready to deliver. But the magic doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can even create a customized weekly meal plan for you, complete with a calorie allowance. The level of detail it provides will blow your mind. From breaking down the plan into a convenient shopping list to categorizing all the ingredients, it's a truly life-changing experience. Here's the cherry on top. ChatGPT can transform those random ingredients you have lying around into fantastic recipes. Just share what you have, and ChatGPT will generate a variety of mouth-watering dishes for you to try. From nut-free delights to vegan mac and cheese, the options are endless. As you can see, it's not just a tool, it's a lifestyle enhancer, a companion on your journey to knowledge, problem-solving, advice, and even better health. 3. Image scanning. Scan images like never before with ChatGPT. Imagine you have a mind-bogglingly complex diagram or an intricately detailed chart. Now, all you need to do is share the image link with ChatGPT, and it will astound you by describing exactly what's happening in the picture. Just paste the link, and within seconds, you'll receive a comprehensive explanation that leaves no detail unnoticed. Occasionally, it may stumble with its initial explanation, but fear not. By providing additional information, ChatGPT will quickly refine its response and get it right on the second try. The accuracy and speed of image analysis will leave you in awe. And that's not all yet. It can even assist you in finding the ideal flights, adding an extra layer of convenience and specificity to your travel plans. The possibilities are endless when it comes to planning your dream vacation with ChatGPT. If you need any help or recommendations in the world of entertainment, it won't disappoint you there either. ChatGPT becomes your ultimate movie and book recommender, guaranteeing a delightful experience. Looking for a hilarious comedy from the 90s? Just ask ChatGPT, and it will provide you with a curated list of top-notch recommendations. 2. Playing games. Now let's talk about games. Get ready to unleash your gaming spirit with ChatGPT, because guess what? You can actually play games with it. It sounds a little crazy, but when you ask ChatGPT about games, it reveals a treasure trove of exciting options. Among the ocean of choices, one that stands out is trivia. You can play the game by challenging ChatGPT to tech trivia, movie trivia, or even something as wacky as cheese trivia. You can take the gaming experience to a whole new level by requesting ChatGPT to code a game for you. It might involve a few steps, but fear not, ChatGPT is there to guide you along the way. The fact that it can create an entire game from scratch is simply mind-blowing. And if you're up for a thrilling adventure, why not embark on a text-based journey with ChatGPT? Imagine playing an epic game like Dungeons & Dragons, where ChatGPT weaves an entirely original story just for you. It's an experience like no other, where the boundaries of imagination are limitless. 1. Chrome extension. Finally, did you know that you can add a ChatGPT extension to your browser? Google Chrome? The ChatGPT extension is an incredibly powerful tool designed to ignite your conversation skills and propel you toward excellence. It harnesses the power of natural language processing and machine learning to analyze every keyword and phrase you use, providing personalized feedback tailored just for you. Whether you're aiming to conquer the business world, establish deeper personal connections, or simply shine in social settings, the ChatGPT extension is your secret weapon. It is user-friendly and incredibly easy to use, and it helps you identify areas for improvement and presents you with invaluable tips and tricks to level up your conversational game. Embrace the ChatGPT extension and watch as your conversations soar to exhilarating heights. So, which trick did you like the most? Do you know any other tricks for ChatGPT? If so, please share in the comment section below this video. We value your support and encourage you to keep expanding your knowledge and embracing the remarkable potential of this technology. Thanks for watching.